Today, we will talk about how to ride an elevator. Let's have a look at the details. Going up and down several flights of stairs can take up a lot of your time. All that walking can even be an inconvenience with handfuls of groceries, sore legs, or holding a child. Luckily, most buildings are well equipped with elevators and lifts. An elevator ride would be your best option to ensure quick and easy travel. The first step is getting on the elevator. Press the up or down button. When you arrive at the elevator, decide which way you are going and be ready to wait. An elevator's arrival time can be affected by many factors such as elevator traffic, the number of floors, rush hours, and available elevators due to unforeseen maintenance or closures. Allow any people to leave before entering. Stand clear of the door. This etiquette is practiced in a lot of public situations such as subways or buses, and elevators are no different. Make certain the elevator is going in your direction. Most elevators have signals to show if they are going down or up. In the case where you cannot find any signal, ask the passengers on the elevator which way they are headed. Decide if the elevator has enough space. When the elevator stops at your floor, it might not mean people will exit. If the doors open and passengers do not get out, assess what space remains. If you cannot see enough room for you, let the doors close and wait for another elevator. Enter and find an empty spot in the elevator. Elevators vary in size and available space. Locate a section where you will feel comfortable for the ride, and that is convenient for your exit. Select your floor. Elevators have buttons on either side of the door. The majority of the floor buttons are numbered. The basement, garage, street level, lobby, etc. may be represented by letters. The second step is riding the elevator. Secure all your belongings. If you are riding with groceries, book bags, or any other items, be sure to hold onto them properly. If the elevator ride is empty, you may leave your items on the floor, especially for longer rides. However, holding on to your items ensures more space for potential passengers. Be courteous when traveling with children or pets. Elevators can be crowded, and ensuring the safety and comfort of others should be on your mind. If you travel with a pet, be sure to secure it with a leash or carry it. Also, be sure to have your children close to you. Control noise levels. The most proper elevator etiquette would be to keep noise levels from silent to minimal. Conversations either in person or over the phone should cease when possible. Calm your nerves and anxieties. Riding an elevator may be difficult for some people with worries such as germs or confined spaces. If you know riding an elevator is a difficult but unavoidable task, prepare yourself for the ride by multiple means. Pay attention to the stops. As you ride, be aware of stops for two reasons. First, passengers need to enter and exit. You might have to give people space to help them slip in or out. Also, each stop brings you closer to your floor, and you may be able to move toward the door. And the third step is exiting the elevator. Excuse yourself as you walk through the elevator. People on elevators have many distractions in their heads, and often give you their backs as they face the elevator door. Saying "excuse me" or "pardon me" will signal your intentions of exiting, and they will move to help you leave. Make sure the door opens on your floor. When the elevator stops at your exit, the doors should open either automatically or manually. Ask someone to hold the door for you. Walking around people in a crowded elevator might not give you enough time to reach the doors before closing. Exit quickly. Using an elevator should be a convenience and a time saver. Missing your floor will only delay you. Also, be mindful that other passengers may need to exit as well. Being swift about your exit helps everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.